Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Following on from my last video, I recently purchased 3 new stamping plates from Lina Nail Art from Nail Artisan here in the UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the second Lina Nail Art stamping plate, Get In Line 01. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. With lines like these, they can become a little flyaway because they are so fine, but this elephant is just gorgeous, swatched really well. For the next swatch I'll be using a raspberry coloured nail tip along with a light pink stamping polish. Again, this rose is gorgeous. It sort of reminds me of the Beauty and the Beast rose in the vase. This image has a lot of beautiful detail in it. With all of these small ones, I am removing the excess before stamping down. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a dark pink stamping polish. With this word love, you could very easily team it with the rose I've just swatched for a Valentine's mani, or with any of the other floral images. Now I do like to put words at a diagonal angle across the nail. No idea why, I just think it looks really pretty. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. This is definitely an image I want to use for a mani. I love crazy patterned images. They can really make some very unusual manis that stand out. You could also add some colour to the spaces as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a teal coloured stamping polish. I don't think I've ever seen an image like this one before, but it would work alongside any floral image, I'm sure. This is a new stamping polish for me, so I'm still working on what works best with it, but this is a really nice swatch. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Lina Nail Art, Get In Line 01. Lina Nail Art Get In Line 01 is just full of amazing line images. There is 10 large designs at the top of the stamping plate along with 47 smaller images at the bottom. I don't think I've ever seen a stamping plate this size full of this type of images. I was originally unsure if I would like this type of plate, but I honestly love it. There is just so many images to choose from the florals to the flip-flops to the elephant and cactus, palm trees, birds, butterfly. The list is endless. I did only use my large stamper even for the smaller ones along with my clear jelly stamper stamping polishes, but it is a really interesting plate. Some very interesting manis to come, I feel. I like that this is a new range from Lina Nail Art is 01 because I would love to see what else they would do for this range. I personally adore Lina's ranges of stamping plates. My favourites are 4 Seasons and the Make Your Mark ranges. I have a full playlist of their stamping plates and I like that this one is now in my collection. My Lina Nail Art collection is very big, but I don't have them all, and they might be on the expensive side of stamping plates, but they're so well worth the money. As I said earlier, watch out for the flyaway bits of stamping. I had quite a few. Also work quickly. Because these are so fine line designs, the stamping polish will dry really quickly. I also found that a very quick flick of the wrist to pick the image up helped as well. I seem to be doing this more and more for my stamping swatches now. One thing I do really like about Get In Line 01 is that you can go all year using this stamping plate. So we have the florals for spring and summer, along with the florals and love and the lips for Valentine's, palm trees, flamingos and leaves for summer, as well as the flip-flops and pineapple. Then into autumn with the leaves again, and then into winter with the Christmas tree and reindeer. Get In Line 01 really does have you covered all year. I also really like the mix of large and small images, but also that there are some that match on Get In Line 01. The lips is one, the faces is another, and then you'll see another one from the mani I've created. I love Lina Nail Art stamping plates, and Get In Line 01 has not disappointed me at all. In my next video, I'll be bringing the final one I purchased, but I can see them all being very popular. I can't wait to return and also pick up the fourth one, which was released with these three as well. For the mani, I've used a teal green gel polish for my base. I love this colour, and I've stamped in one of my new green clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. I found that there was quite a few of this style of leaf on Get In Line 01 and they all work perfectly together. I used a mix of small and large design, which again works really well. With this being a new colour combo, I was unsure at first, but I really like it. It's quite different. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Get In Line 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.